Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play American Truck Simulator, focusing on its available platforms. It's important to know that this popular trucking simulation game is exclusively designed for personal computers. Unfortunately, it is not available on the PlayStation 4 or any other console. To experience the open roads of America, you'll need a computer running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Before diving in, let's check your computer's readiness. To enjoy American Truck Simulator, your PC should meet certain system requirements. A 64-bit operating system, such as Windows 10, is highly recommended. You'll also need a processor like an Intel Core i5 6400 or an AMD Ryzen 3 1200, along with at least 8 GB of RAM and 25 GB of available storage space. Once your system is ready, acquiring the game is straightforward. The primary way to get American Truck Simulator is through digital distribution platforms, most notably Steam. Simply search for the game, complete your purchase, and then follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it onto your computer. The game frequently receives updates, adding new states and trucks to explore. Now for the fun part, driving. American Truck Simulator offers a realistic driving experience. You can use your keyboard and mouse for controls, but many players prefer a steering wheel and pedal setup for maximum immersion. Your goal is to pick up cargo, deliver it safely and on time across various American states, earn money, and build your very own successful trucking company.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.